In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to use some of the corporate account features in Inca Clinic. Corporate accounts can be organizations, commercial organizations, they could be aid agencies, they could be schools or other groups that you deal with. I'm just going to show you how to search for a company first of all. So I'm just going to use the global search facility, and I'm just going to put in a star, which is a wildcard, search for anything with sample in it. And Inca Clinic will go do a search for that, and you can see it will bring up some hits that it found that matched my search. And you can see down under accounts I have sample accounts, so I'm just going to click on that and open up and have a look at it. You'll notice that I actually have the company's logo here, and I've attached a feed to their Twitter feed, and I can do that through the setup menu through here. And I can do things like I can go and have a look at what they're saying on Twitter and maybe even engage with them on that. Below that I have the chatter feed, and what that lets me do is it lets me maybe do some updates, make some comments on the account. I can interact with other staff in the clinic just to keep them informed about what's going on there. Below that then I have a series of buttons. I can go in here and look at their statements and accept payments, so I can issue statements via email or print it out if I wish. I can update the balance on the account. Normally this is done automatically for you, but on occasion you might want to press that button. And I can also look at the vaccine cover status for any patients linked to this account as well. And I can download that as an Excel file or just view it for my own internal records. In addition to that, I have an email address. This is what will be used if I emailed a statement or an invoice to the patient, so it's good to set that usually to the accounts department. In here I can do things like set up credit terms for my own notes, credit limits, look at the balance. I can also set up a standard discount, and this will be applied to any invoices linked to this particular account if I set it. And I can also put the account on hold, so that blocks any further invoices being allocated against this account. If you want, you can come and talk to us about doing some customization work. For example, if the credit limit's exceeded, we can set it up to send you a task or a to-do or some kind of email notification. So that's something you might want to discuss with us at some point. Down here then in these sections you can see I can set up my contacts, so this could be someone in HR, someone in accounts, or whoever I deal with in the organization. I can keep in touch with them. It also lists the invoices that are current and outstanding or paid for that, credit notes, and also all the patients that are actually associated with this particular account as well. And moving on further down, I can do things like I can add myself tasks, even log a call, and that's all recorded down in this section, so I can keep a track of what's going on with the actual account. So that's how to use accounts in Inca Clinic.